Hey there, geeks. Tim with MajorGeeks.com. Today we're going to show you how to use, I don't know, say it any way you want. Windows Update Show Hide. Show hide. Yeah. So basically this is going to allow you to hide Windows updates so that you can avoid downloading a Windows Update. It picks up on Major Geeks occasionally, and that's because if you go to the first Google result to download it, you get this. So it still works today. There's a couple of catches. I'd like to thank you know who you are on the YouTube channel for correcting me on this so I could redo the video. I made a mistake on the first one, and I'm going to correct that now. Alright, so here's the file right here. As you can see, I got all these updates pending, waiting to go. Let's say I want to avoid this right here, because I know there's a problem. So click the download now here. Look for the link up here with the eye, or in the video description to get to this page. Click download now. And you can open it right from here. And once it comes up, first thing you want to do, again, this is where I screwed up earlier, is make sure Apply Repairs Automatically is there, which it should be. And then you click Next, and it's going to come up with a list of pending updates. Now, while we're doing this, make sure you check the bottom of this page. There's some other ways that you can do it. And I'll show you that briefly in just a second, because this can be a little bit slow, so I'll bounce back and forth. So once it comes up, it should show you everything you see here. And it's, again, not the fastest thing going, so let's see if it's ready. So basically, as soon as I start talking about something else, it'll finish. What you can also do is go to Start, Settings, Update and Security. And when you're here, you can just click Pause Updates for 7 days. Real simple way to do it. Because if you use this tool, you got to make sure you come back and re-enable it when it comes time. There we go. So here's your choices, show or hide. So if we want to hide, we'll click that. There's our feature update. So we can click on that. Click on Next. And again, while we're doing that, pause updates for 7 days. You can also uninstall under Update History right here, if you need to get rid of something that caused you a problem. And that's about it. Uninstall. Recovery options, reset my PC, stuff like that. But again, you can just quickly come in right away and just hit pause updates, and you're good for 7 days. That should do it for you. Right here, it's going to do the same thing. You can pause it 7 days. But if you want to just pause it for a day or two for some reason, I don't know why they did that. It used to have a lot more options in it. So here's a big thing I was also taught, because it's always important to learn, as I didn't know. There's your feature update. You see it says fixed. So what I'm told, the trick here is not to refresh your Windows Update, but to instead leave it alone. Wait until it checks for updates, which is daily. And then it'll be ignored after the update. So don't click check for updates. Don't click anything. Just close it. And then if you check it tomorrow, the update that you have waiting should be paused. But again, I kind of prefer my way, which is just to do it for 7 days or whatever. It's a little easier, but I understand that people do need a tool like this. It's just too bad Microsoft doesn't make it available, because they want you to get the Windows updates. And as we all know, it's not always the smartest move. Sometimes they break stuff. So there you have it. There's how to use something I can't say. Show Hide. We'll stick with Show Hide. Show Hide. Pretty easy to use, free, and available at Major Geeks at the Download Now button. Bottom right-hand corner, click subscribe. Throw me a like if we helped you out. Thanks for watching. As always, see ya.